Hello everyone, welcome back to the mathematics class. Today in this video we are going to see how addition and subtraction are interlinked to each other. So let us see. Here we have three objects. So if we write down 3 and 2 objects, we will get the sum as 5. So this is a simple equation in which we add 3 objects and 2 objects together and we'll get 5. So this is the addition fact, and in this kind of equation we have 3 numbers. So these numbers which we are adding, these are known as the parts, and this is known as the whole. So according to the addition fact, when we add one part, this part plus part, we will get a whole. Okay, and in this we can interchange the number as well, as we can do like this. If we add, interchange the place, if we do 2 plus 3, again we will get the same answer. So in this equation we can interchange the position of the parts. So according to addition fact, we have part plus part equals to whole. But what if we do the same in the subtraction fact? Let us see how it will work. So with the same equation, let us check. If we have total is 5, and if I take away 2 from it, if I take away 2, so I will get how many? Yes, 3 will be left. So as you have seen children, here the position of the part and whole are interchanged. 5 was the whole over here, and 2 and 3 were the parts. Same as what we can do, we can change the position of the parts as well. Like 5 minus 3, it will be 2. That means if we take away 3 from 5, we will get the 2. So have you seen children that because like out of one addition fact we have got 2 subtraction fact. What was the addition fact? Let us revise. It was 2 plus 3. We have 5. And now when we are going to form the subtraction fact from these numbers, so what we get? First of all, we have written the whole part in the beginning, and then we have written the part, and we'll get the answer as another part. Similarly, if I have written here 3, I got the answer as the another part, that is 2. So that means the addition and subtraction are interrelated to each other. So in this one, these are 2 small numbers we have done very easily. But what if we have large numbers, because we are doing large numbers as well. So let us check how to do that. So as you can see here, we have an addition fact of large numbers, in which I have written 23,265 plus 41,218 equals to 64,483. So that was the easier one. We have done 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, or 5 minus 3 equals to 4. But what if it is there? So there is a trick of course. So how to do these kinds of questions? This is the addition fact, and we have to develop, or we have to write down 2 subtraction fact of this addition fact. So how to do? Let us see. So first step is, first of all, as you know, this is the part, this is the part, and this is the whole. So I told you earlier as well, in subtraction fact we are writing the whole part first of all. So the first addition fact will be, we'll write down the whole 64,483, and we will just interchange that, because this is addition fact, we will do the subtraction fact. So in subtraction fact we are going to use the subtraction symbol, that is minus, and then we will write down one part, first part. So it will be 23,265, and similarly the equals to sign, and we will get the answer as a yes, second part, 41218. And this is the first subtraction fact. Next subtraction fact will be similarly, again we will copy the same whole part over here, 64,483, and then what we are going to do, we are going to interchange the places of these two numbers. So it will be 41,218 equals to 23,265. So these are the two subtraction fact out of this addition fact. Let us take some more examples. So here I have the second example. In this example again we have two parts and one whole. So what we are going to do, children? Yes, first of all we are going to write down the whole part, that is 84,246. Then we are going to write down the subtraction symbol and then the first part, that is 53,245 equals to the second part, 31,001. So this is the first subtraction fact. For second subtraction fact, what we are going to do, children? Yes, we are going to write down, copy down the same whole part again, 84,246. Then we are going to interchange the places of the parts. 31,001 equals to 53,245. So this is the second subtraction fact. Let us take the bigger example, because right now I have taken only 1000 and 10,000 terms. Let me take the example from the lakh term. So here I have another example with 5 digits in it in each number, that is in terms of lakhs. So it is 2,98,605, 5,01,131 equals to 7,99,736. So how to write down? Yes, it is the same way, no need to worry. So we are going to write down the whole part first of all, 799,736, then opposite symbol, that is subtraction symbol, and then the first part, 298,605, then the second part, 5,01,131. This is the first subtraction fact. So what is the second subtraction fact? Yes, we have to copy down the same whole part first of all. Then we are going to interchange the places of these two parts. 01131 equals to 298,605. So these are the two subtraction fact for this equation. I hope, children, you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Bye-bye.